Well, Judge Carlson is an exceptional judge, and she listened to everybody and pieced together, based on the information provided and the evidence, what she thought was the best decision. It was certainly well-reasoned, it was certainly thorough, and that was her decision. She certainly put the time in, put the work in, and listened to everybody's submissions. And you can't ask for more than that. It was a fair, reasoned decision.
How's Graham James reacting?
I think Graham's reaction is fairly the same. He recognizes that she had a very difficult job to do, and all he wanted was a fair hearing, and I think he feels he got one.
And how do you feel about it?
I think he got one too.
So despite asking for a conditional sentence, you feel 2 years is fair?
I think she made a very fair ruling. Whether I agree with it or not, whether I'm happy that she didn't accede to my request is a different issue. But I can certainly appreciate that just because people don't agree with me doesn't make them wrong.
There's been much talk about how Graham James has felt humiliated and has been under extreme media and public scrutiny for what he's done. Is there any hope for him that he feels that this might vindicate him after the fact?
I don't think there's any hope for vindication here. I think Mr. James appreciates the nature of the crimes he committed. He wasn't seeking vindication. Hopefully, when he is released from custody, he'll be able to live a life. I think that's all he wants, and I think that's all anybody should want for him. That going forward, he not bother anybody, that he not commit any other crimes. Obviously, society doesn't want to see him back before the court and doesn't want anybody victimized, but beyond that, why wouldn't anybody want him to simply be able to live his life quietly?